10 years ago, two best friends decided they were done paying rent. They were the same age, worked similar 9-to-5 jobs, made almost the same salary, and spent their weekends talking about building wealth and getting ahead. Real estate sounded like the answer. Everyone online said the same thing. Buy property, let it pay for itself, get rich slowly. So they made a promise that this would be the year they both bought something. Daniel bought first. It wasn't impressive, just a small, slightly run-down duplex in an average neighborhood. Faded paint, uneven yard, nothing flashy. His friend Chris laughed and asked why he'd buy something so ugly, but Daniel only said, "The numbers work." He moved into one unit and rented the other, and the rent covered most of the mortgage. For the first time in his life, housing didn't feel heavy. Meanwhile, Chris chose a beautiful single-family home in a trendy area, the kind of place people admire. It felt like success until the bills started piling up. Chris had no tenant to help with the costs, so every month money flowed out: mortgage, taxes, repairs, upgrades. Daniel's place quietly paid him back, while Chris's quietly drained him. At first, the difference seemed small, just a few $100s here and there, but month after month those small gaps grew. Daniel still had money left over, so he saved and invested it, while his tenants slowly paid down his loan. Chris, on the other hand, relied more and more on credit cards just to keep up. A few years later, Daniel refinanced. His property had gained value and built equity, and the bank handed him a check. He used it to buy another small rental, then another. Nothing fancy, just simple properties that made sense on paper. Each one produced steady cash flow. Chris tried refinancing too, but the bank said no. Too much debt, not enough income. Daniel was building momentum while Chris felt stuck, working harder just to stay in the same place. Then the market shifted. Rates went up, repairs got expensive, and life got unpredictable. Daniel barely noticed because he had reserves and multiple tenants paying him every month. Chris felt every hit. One repair wiped out his savings. One slow month at work caused stress. The house that once felt like success now felt like pressure. Years passed with no dramatic moments, just quiet math doing its thing. Eventually, Daniel's rentals covered all his expenses and then some. He didn't look rich, but he was free. Chris finally sold his house and walked away with almost nothing to show for years of effort. Same city, same salaries, same market, two completely different outcomes, all because of one early decision. One bought what looked impressive. The other bought what actually paid him back. If you're thinking about real estate, remember this. The goal isn't to look successful, it's to reduce stress and build steady income. Don't ask if a property looks good. Ask if it pays you every month. Because in real estate, the market doesn't decide who wins. The math does, and boring math usually wins. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.